चले जाते हैं, ठीक है। मैं आई वांट समथिंग व्हेन आई सिट विथ यू, आई वांट समथिंग वेरी कॉन्क्रीट, यस, नो,
Very true.
ओके। क्योंकि आपका भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए और मेरा भी टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए।
Uh, I really have the different view on it. Basically, what I feel when we
हाँ
are
सर,
deliberating, we are creating a right kind of energy.
यस
Even if
सर,
I fail or you fail to motivate me or I fail to motivate you, or if we are
यस सर,
not, we might part our way also.
यस सर,
Still,
यस सर,
still, whatever the we have deliberated, discussed, it
यस सर,
might appeal to third party. It might appeal to fourth or fifth one as well.
यस,
So,
एब्सोल्युटली राइट,
so,
एब्सोल्युटली
so,
राइट।
so basically, you are spreading a right kind of the energy in the environment, in the
सर,
ecosystem.
सर, मैं एक बात कर सकता हूँ?
Sure, sure, sure.
हाँ, see, I have traveled many countries,
Hmm.
and being into import export, fruits, vegetables,
Mhm.
wherever I have been procuring globally,
Mhm.
I've seen the farmers in the other countries.
Mhm.
I felt really bad. This is my before I die.
Mhm. Mhm.
I am telling you, before I die,
Mhm.
I want mm, my Indian farmers.
Mhm.
I stress again, my Indian farmers, my brothers, my brotherhoods.
Mhm.
Okay, they should carry a visiting card.
Mhm. Mhm.
You understand? See, when
Yeah.
I went to Australia, when I went to Canada, when I went to European countries, when I went to even African countries, I'm telling
Mhm.
you,
Mhm. Mhm.
even a farmer is carrying a visiting card. Where is India? You
Basically,
understand, Sachin?
basically,
After all,
basically.
एक बात, it is really hurting me, where I'm sharing. A person who is past 10th class, he joins a job somewhere 7,000, 8,000, and he gets a visiting card. हमारा जो फार्मर है, जो अन्नदाता है, उसके लिए क्या गवर्नमेंट किया है?
Uh,
He is not able to tell anyone with proudness that I am a farmer. This is my card. A person who is
uh, uh,
drawing a salary of
should,
7,000, he has a visiting card, not a farmer.
should I attempt to tell you? I mean, some. I mean.